Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Think of it like learning how to pick a lock. You wouldn't pick a lock to break into someone's house, but understanding the process can help you identify vulnerabilities in your own security. Similarly, knowing how hackers target Wi-Fi networks can help you build stronger defenses for your own network. Plus, it's pretty cool to understand the technology behind the digital world we live in. For this journey into the world of Wi-Fi hacking, our trusty sidekick will be Python. Python is a versatile programming language known for its readability and a vast collection of libraries, tools that do the heavy lifting for us. Don't worry if you're new to programming. We'll be using simple commands and concepts that anyone can grasp. The libraries we'll need are readily available and easy to install. More on that in the next section. Think of libraries as specialized toolboxes for Python. For our Wi-Fi hacking project, we'll need a few specific tools. The first one helps Python talk to wireless networks. The second one helps us crack passwords. We import these libraries into our Python script like telling Python, "Hey, I need these tools for this job." It's like grabbing a wrench and a screwdriver before fixing a leaky faucet. Section 5. Step 2. Scanning for wireless networks. Now that we have our tools, it's time to scout the area. Our Python script will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Imagine it as a digital detective using a magnifying glass to search for clues. The script will list the names of all the Wi-Fi networks within range, along with some technical details. This information helps us choose our target. Remember, we're doing this for educational purposes only. Section 6. Step 3. Targeting and cracking the password. This is where things get interesting. In this step, we delve into the heart of cybersecurity, where the real action happens. The process of targeting and cracking passwords is both an art and a science. It requires a deep understanding of how passwords are created, stored, and protected. Hackers use a variety of tools and techniques to break through these defenses. And today we'll explore some of the most common methods. Our script will focus on the target network and start trying different password combinations. This is known as a brute force attack, where the script systematically attempts every possible combination of characters until it finds the correct one. It's a time-consuming process, but with the power of modern computers, it can be done much faster than you might think. It does this much faster than any human could, testing thousands of possibilities per second. The speed and efficiency of these scripts are what make them so effective. However, it's important to note that this method is not foolproof. Strong passwords, especially those that use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, can still be very difficult to crack. Don't worry, we won't actually be cracking any real passwords today. Our goal is to understand the process and the techniques used by hackers so that we can better protect ourselves. By learning how these attacks work, we can develop stronger defenses and make it much harder for hackers to succeed. This is just a simulation to understand the process. In a real-world scenario, ethical hackers use these techniques in a controlled environment to test the strength of passwords and identify vulnerabilities. They work closely with organizations to improve their security measures and protect sensitive information. In a controlled environment, ethical hackers use this technique to test the strength of passwords and identify vulnerabilities. They play a crucial role in the cybersecurity ecosystem, helping to safeguard our digital world. By understanding the methods used by malicious hackers, ethical hackers can stay one step ahead and ensure that our data remains secure. This knowledge is invaluable in the ongoing battle against cyber threats. Section 7. Understanding the code, a peek behind the curtain. While we won't delve into the nitty-gritty of the code itself, the basic idea is this. The script uses pre-existing lists of common passwords and tries them one by one. It knows it's found the right password when it successfully connects to the network. This process can take time depending on the password's complexity. Strong, unique passwords are much harder to crack, which is why they're so important. Section 8. The Ethical Hacker, Using Your Powers for Good. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The techniques we've discussed can be used for both good and bad purposes. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their knowledge to help companies and organizations improve their security. They find vulnerabilities so they can be fixed before malicious actors exploit them. Section 9. Protecting your network. Stay one step ahead. Now that you understand the basics of Wi-Fi hacking, you can better protect yourself. Wi-Fi hacking is a common threat that can compromise your personal information and privacy. Hackers often exploit weak passwords, outdated software, and unencrypted networks to gain unauthorized access. By being aware of these vulnerabilities, you can take proactive steps to secure your network. Use strong, unique passwords for your Wi-Fi network and all your online accounts. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords securely. Enable network encryption to make it harder for hackers to snoop on your data. Encryption scrambles the information sent over your network, making it unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the decryption key. Most modern routers support WPA3 encryption, which is currently the most secure option available. Make sure to enable it in your router's settings. Stay informed about cybersecurity best practices and keep your devices updated with the latest security patches. Software updates often include fixes for security vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Regularly check for updates on all your devices, including smartphones, laptops, and smart home gadgets. Additionally, educate yourself by reading reputable cybersecurity blogs and following experts in the field. By understanding the methods hackers use, you can stay one step ahead and keep your digital life safe. Hackers are constantly evolving their techniques, so it's crucial to stay vigilant and adapt your security measures accordingly. Regularly review your security settings, monitor your network for unusual activity, and consider using additional security tools like VPNs and firewalls. Remember, staying one step ahead is not just about reacting to threats, but also about anticipating them and being prepared. In this chapter, we will explore advanced techniques for securing your Wi-Fi network against potential threats. We'll cover encryption methods, setting up a secure password, and monitoring network activity to detect any suspicious behavior. Stay tuned to learn how to keep your network safe and secure. First, let's dive deeper into encryption methods. While WPA3 is currently the most secure option available, it's essential to understand how it works. WPA3 provides enhanced security protocols, including a more robust handshake process that makes it significantly harder for attackers to crack your Wi-Fi password. Ensure your router supports WPA3 and enable it in your settings for maximum protection. Next, let's talk about setting up a truly secure password. A strong password isn't just about complexity, it's also about length. Aim for a password that's at least 12 characters long, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information, and consider changing your password regularly to minimize the risk of unauthorized access. Monitoring your network activity is another crucial step. Tools like network analyzers can help you keep an eye on all devices connected to your network. Look out for any unfamiliar devices or unusual data usage patterns, which could indicate a potential security breach. Many modern routers come with built-in features to help you monitor and manage connected devices, so make sure to utilize these tools. Additionally, consider setting up a guest network for visitors. This keeps your main network more secure by isolating guest traffic from your primary devices. Limit the bandwidth available on the guest network and set a strong password to ensure that only trusted individuals can access it. Finally, keep your router's firmware updated. Manufacturers often release updates to address security vulnerabilities, so regularly check for firmware updates and apply them promptly. This simple step can significantly enhance your network's security. By implementing these advanced techniques, you can create a robust defense against potential Wi-Fi threats. ensuring that your network remains safe and secure. Stay proactive and keep learning about the latest security practices to stay one step ahead of hackers. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, a secure network is a happy network.